gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily, moving it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be trying on this wig that was sent to me from Junoda hair. And here are the accessories that came with the hair. This is their 4.5 by 6 closure wig. It comes pre-cut, pre-bleached. This is a ready to wear wig, 100% glueless and beginner friendly. So all I'm going to be doing on this wig is to apply foundation on the lace. That way it blends well into my skin. And the foundation that I'm using in this video is the Ruby Kisses Face Creator foundation in the shade 14. And this wig also comes with a silicone adjustable strap for a better grip and a glueless install. To style this wig, I'll be using water, leave-in conditioner and a derma brush. Now you can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Just make sure you get a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to damp my hair with water first and then apply the leave-in conditioner before detangling the hair with the derma brush.
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait, I put it down. Jagaband, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never put it on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me.
So if you notice in this video, while using hot comb on the hair, I did not use wax stick. So I'm going to spray some spritz on the hair to keep the baby hairs in place. So I'm just using my hand to press it down. So as you can see, like I said, this wig is glueless. I'm going to apply that same foundation that I used earlier on the party line using a small brush. So this is to clean the part and also to make that pattern more realistic. And that's basically all that I did for this wig install. This wig is super easy to install. Like, it didn't take me up to 10 minutes to do all of this. So Like I said before, this wig is from Junoda Hair. I'm going to leave every details of this link in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.